Now we has the Zangal Pond of Zangal Pond. Not in this moment we has the very good situation. The weather is very good. And now this sky is cloudy, and we has the site of roadside and road not any going to vehicle, and we stand Zangal Pond soil up down we standing. It is very good situation. Now some drug is whistle their mouth, and here has some water hyacinth and some bamboo and some home and some shops. Not in this moment we see now this moment before evening time. Don't know hurry. So now this Bangladesh and Zimbabwe play is very good, and now it is very good situation. Don't know hurry. It is very good situation. Tomorrow our Bangladesh is the raining all the time. We news pay of the TV channel and another website and YouTube and Google. Not worry. We has very good situation in this moment. We are the going to the some time after Ata shops, and it is very good situation. Don't worry, it is the all the best, and you all the best, and world all the men all the best.